In this video, I will show you how to redirect a website in Hostinger. I will be redirecting vibeskill.io to designodepage.com. So let's get started. Once we log into the Hostinger account, this is the dashboard you will see. First, we need to click the Domains tab on the left side of the screen. In the Domain Portfolio page, we can see all the domains in Hostinger, the domains in the hosting account, the external domains that have been added to Hostinger, and the subdomains listed at the bottom. We can only redirect the domains that have been purchased with this hosting account and not the external domains. Here, we need to click the Manage button of the domain associated with the website that we want to redirect. I have only one domain. If you have more than one domain, select the website domain that you want to redirect. Next, click Manage Site under Manage Your Website. Next, click the Domain section on the left side of the screen. After that, click the Redirects tab, which will take you to this page. On this page, we need to select the website we want to redirect and add the site we want it to redirect to. Here, select the prefix HTTP or HTTPS of the site you are redirecting. Select the website you want to redirect. Next, again, select the URL you want to redirect it to. Next, again, select the website prefix. In this field, enter the website you want to redirect it to. Finally, click the Create button. And that's it. The website has been redirected to another website. Now, when we refresh the website, it redirects to the new site we added in Hostinger. And done, we've successfully redirected the website. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like and share the video if it was helpful. Subscribe to the channel to get more video updates like this.